Good morning everyone. Today topic is Elegum diagram. Elegum diagram. This is continuation of metallurgy lesson. This is continuation of metallurgy lesson. What a definition of an Elegum diagram in variation of graphical representation. In variation of graphical representation of standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy and variation of metal oxide and variation of metal oxide with temperature. With temperature. Okay. That is the Elegum diagram. Okay. Next one. In Elegum diagram is based on the two. First, number one, standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy. Second one, temperature. Second one, temperature in various temperature. Okay. First, we know that delta G, that is equal to delta H minus T del S. Change in Gibbs free energy. So change in Gibbs free energy equal to del H, change in enthalpy del H minus D del S, minus D del S. Okay, so del G naught, standard Gibbs free energy, del G H, standard enthalpy, del S naught, standard entropy, okay. First one, del G. What are the conditions for del G naught? Standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy, del G become 0. The value become 0 at a equilibrium condition. At a equilibrium. Suppose the del G value greater than to 0. Del G value is greater than to 0. So del G value is greater than to 0, become positive. The reaction become non-spontaneous, non-feasible. The reaction become non-spontaneous. Suppose del G is less than 0. Del G value is less than 0. The value become negative. Reaction become spontaneous. There are three conditions standard Gibbs free energy. First, condition number one, at 0. Del G value become 0 at a equilibrium condition. Second one, del G value become positive. When del G values become positive, reaction is a non-spontaneous process. Not feasible. Third one, del G values is a negative, reaction become spontaneous. There are three conditions. In this Elegum diagram, del G naught versus temperature. Standard Gibbs free energy versus temperature. What are the uses of an Elegum diagram? What are the uses? To find out, to deduct the best reducing agent. Especially metal oxides converted to metal. So metal oxide converted to metal, the suitable reducing agent. What are the suitable reducing agent? By using Elegum diagram. That is a graphical representation. Okay. Let us consider del G. Del G equal to del H naught minus D del S. Okay. Del G naught, that is equal to del H minus D del S. This is y equal to m x minus c, state line equation. So y equal to m x minus c. So y-axis become del G naught formation metal oxide. That is y-axis. Del G naught formation. X-axis temperature. X-axis, that is temperature. So the graphical representation del G naught, this is temperature. So x-axis become a temperature in Kelvin. Y-axis is a del G naught. Okay. Next, general reaction. Metal combines with oxygen to give metal oxide. General. So whatever metal, any one of the metal combines with oxygen to give metal oxide. So first one. Second one, metal oxide to give metal plus oxygen. First one, metal combines with oxygen to give is a metal oxide. Second one, metal oxide decomposes to give metal plus oxygen. Okay. Del G naught equal to 0. This is equilibrium conditions. So del G naught become a 0. Del G naught formation temperature. This is A part. This is A part. The next, this one is a B part. So this is a B part. First one is a A part. So A part is a metal plus oxygen. O2 plus M to gives metal oxide. Metal plus oxygen to gives metal oxide. Here 0. So del G value become decreases. So del G values is become decreases. The value also decreases. So metal combines with oxygen to gives metal oxide. Del G value negative. This is 0. The first one, metal plus oxygen to gives metal oxide. So del G values become negative. The reaction become spontaneous. Suppose metal oxide converted to metal. That is metal oxide converted to metal plus oxygen. Here metal oxide to metal plus oxygen. Here del G value become increases. So metal oxide to gives metal plus oxygen. Del G value become positive. Reaction is a non-spontaneous. This is part A. So part A, first one, del G values is a decreases. So del G values become decreases. Metal combines with oxygen, metal oxide. So del G values is a negative in these types of reaction. First, number one, spontaneous. Second one, suppose metal oxides converted to metal. Here del G values become a positive. So del G value become positive. Reaction is not spontaneous process. This is part A. Okay. Next, part B. In a part B, this 0. Metal plus oxygen to gives metal oxide. Part B. Metal plus oxygen to gives metal oxide. Let us consider metal to metal oxide. 0. The next, del G values become increases. Here del G values become increases. So metal plus oxygen to gives metal oxide. When del G become positive, reaction non-spontaneous. reaction non-spontaneous. First number one. Second one, the reverse reaction. Metal oxide to gives oxygen plus metal. Metal oxide to gives oxygen plus metal. Metal oxides converted to metal. So metal oxides converted to metal. Here del G value become decreases down. Del G value become decreases, that is down. So metal oxide to gives metal plus oxygen. Metal plus oxygen. Del G value negative, reaction become spontaneous. Reaction become spontaneous. This is the center one. Del G not equal to 0 at equilibrium condition. Equilibrium condition. Let me discuss first one, the part A. Down. Metal to metal oxide, del G value is negative. Down. Del G value is negative. Next one, metal oxide to metal, del G value is positive. In general condition, according to standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy, del G value negative, reaction spontaneous. Del G value is a positive, reaction is a non-spontaneous. This is A part. Next one, P part. P part, metal plus oxygen, metal oxide, del G value is positive. Because of del G value become increases. Down, metal oxide to metal, del G value become decreases, that is a negative. Okay. Next one, take silver. Silver react with oxygen. Silver oxide. 2 oxygen only one time, 2 time. 4 silver, 2 to 4 silver. First number one. Second one, mercury. Mercury combines with oxygen to gives HgO. 2 oxygen only one time, 2 times, 2 mercury, say 2. Third one, zinc. Zinc combines with oxygen to gives zinc oxide, ZnO. 2 oxygen only one times, 2 times, 2 zinc only one times, that is 2 times, 2 zinc. First one, silver oxide. Second one, mercuric oxide. Third one, zinc oxide. Now draw the elegant diagram. Del G naught formation temperature. Del G naught equal to 0. First number one, silver oxide Ag2O. Second one, HgO. Third one, zinc oxide. This is the temperature in Kelvin. Temperature in Kelvin. This is T1. This is T2. T3. T1, T2, T3. T1 silver oxide. T1 become Ag2O. T2 mercuric oxide HgO. T3 zinc oxide. T3 zinc oxide. First T1 and T2. So T1 and T2 is a low temperature. T1 and T2 is a low temperature. So low temperature T1 and T2. So that is no for reducing agents. Not necessary. Not necessary for the reducing agents. Metal oxide to metal. That is silver oxide to silver. Mercuric oxide to mercury. Because of at low temperatures. So low temperature. Third one. So third one zinc oxide. So highly expensive. Zinc oxide. So more economical is needed. So more economical needed some improvement. Additional one. So additional requirement some other reducing agent. Some other reducing agent. Suppose zinc oxide. Zinc oxide combines with coke. Carbon. Coke to gives zinc plus carbon monoxide. Zinc plus carbon monoxide. Here the role of carbon become act as a strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent, metal oxides converted to metal, especially zinc oxides converted to zinc. Zinc 2 plus 0. Zinc oxidation state 2 plus 2 0. So 2 plus 2 0, oxidation number become decreases. So oxidation number decreases, reduction. The role of carbon become act as a strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent. First two group, silver oxide to silver, mercuric oxide to mercury, is a low temperature. So metal oxide can be easily to converted to metal. But third one, T3. Third one, zinc oxide converted to zinc is highly expensive, so more economically is needed. So additional one, additional reagents, additional element, that is a suitable reducing agent. So carbon. Zinc oxides converted to zinc, the suitable reducing agent for carbon. The role of carbon become act as a strong reducing agent like zinc oxide to zinc. Next one, nature of carbon and oxides. Carbon combines with the oxide of O2 to give carbon monoxide. First number one. Second one, carbon combines with the oxide to give CO2, carbon dioxide. Second number two. Next, carbon monoxide plus of O2 to give carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. First one, carbon to carbon monoxide. Second one, carbon combines with the oxygen, carbon dioxide. Third one, carbon monoxide plus of O2. Carbon monoxide plus of O2 to give carbon dioxide. Draw the elegant diagram. X-axis temperature, Y del G naught formation temperature, elegant. Carbon plus O2 to gives CO2, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. Carbon plus of O2 to gives carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide plus of O2 to gives carbon dioxide. This is A part. Next B part. This is C part. First one, that is A part. Second one, B part. Third one, C part. Third one, C part. Okay. Now discuss one A part. A part. So A part, the equation, carbon plus of O2 to gives carbon monoxide. Carbon plus of O2 to gives carbon monoxide. Okay. To calculate del Ng. Del Ng. Del Ng is nothing but the total number of stoichiometric moles. That is Nb minus N. Number of stoichiometry of product minus number of stoichiometry of reactant, Nr. Nb minus Nr. Okay. Now calculate del Ng. So del Ng, that is equal to here 1 mole. 1 minus half mole of O2 off. So 1 minus half plus half. First point number 1. Number of moles increases. Point number 1. Number of moles increases plus half. When the number of moles increases, automatically del S value become increases. Del S. Randomness become increases. Del S. Change in entropy. So change in entropy become increases. Kuda. Let me consider ice. Ice. Molecules are closely packed. Ice. The molecules are closely packed. To attain 0 degree Celsius. To attain 0 degree Celsius. To attain 0 degree Celsius, ice become changed to water. Molecules are loosely packed. Molecules are loosely packed. At 100 degree Celsius. To attain 100 degree Celsius, water become changed to water vapor. Molecules are very loosely packed, randomness. So high entropy becomes gases. The next one liquid, the next one solid. Here, the number of moles increases, automatically del S value become increases. So del S value increases, del S become positive. Del S become positive. Del S positive, automatically del G value become negative. Del G value become negative. So del G value negative, first part 1. Carbon plus O2. So del G value become decreases. Del G value become decreases. So part A, the graphical representation. Graphical representation, part A. So the part A, the graphical representation, so del G naught formation and the temperature. Here del G value automatically decreases. Del G value automatically decreases with increase the temperature. With increase the temperature become increases. So del G value is automatically decreases. So decreasing the free energy minus, increases the entropy plus. So reaction becomes spontaneous. First part 1. Reaction become spontaneous. Okay. Next one. Part B. Part B. So part B, center one. So carbon combines with oxygen to give carbon dioxide state. So carbon combines with oxygen to give CO2, carbon dioxide, to calculate del Ng. Del Ng that is equal to 1 because of gaseous state. It's a gaseous state, it's a solid, cancel. So 1 minus 1 that is equal to 0. So del Ng become 0. So del S equal to 0 and also del G equal to 0. So del S 0 and also del G 0. So at equilibrium. Del G equal to 0 at equilibrium temperature. Next, part C. Next one, part C. So part C, carbon monoxide plus half O2 to give carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide plus half O2 to give carbon dioxide. So del Ng calculation. So 1 minus, here 1 plus half, 1 plus half. So del Ng. So del Ng become 1 minus 1 and half minus half. So minus half. Del Ng become is a minus half. So minus half, randomness become decreases. Randomness. So del S equal to negative. Randomness become a decreases. Molecules are closely packed. So molecules are closely packed. You can represent a Elegum diagram. This is a part C. Del G naught formation temperature. Here del G value also increases. Del G value also increases. So del S value become negative. Del G value become positive. Del G value become a positive. Because of del G standard gives free energy formation become increases. So reaction become non-spontaneous. Part A, part B and part C. Part A, del G value negative, less value, down. So del G value is a negative, less value, automatic number of moles increases, automatically del S value become increases, reaction become spontaneous. Part B. So part B at equilibrium condition because of 0. Part B. Part C. So part C non-spontaneous process. Non-spontaneous process is a non-spontaneous reaction. So non-spontaneous process, non-spontaneous reaction, del G values automatically increases. So del G value automatically increases, number of randomness become decreases. So number of randomness decreases with the decrease entropy. The decreasing entropy. So del S is negative, del G values become positive. Let me discuss about what are the suitable reducing agent. What are the suitable reducing agent? Zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. Okay. This is part A. Carbon to carbon monoxide. This is part B. Carbon combines oxygen, carbon dioxide. Next, this is part C. Part C. Carbon monoxide is converted to carbon dioxide. What are the suitable reducing agent for the zinc oxide? Okay. This is the temperature. T1. Del G naught formation. This is T2. This is T3. So metal oxide is converted to metal. Metal oxide is converted to metal by suitable reducing agent. In this periodicity, first one, low temperature. Temperature become low. Low temperature, first number one. Low temperature. Second number two, del G naught formation value is a negative, less value. The first periodicity, low temperature. Second one, del G formation is a negative. First part A, let's consider T1. This is a T1. Part B, T2. That is T2. Part C, T3. So T3 is a high temperature. Leave it. T3 is a high temperature. T1 and T2. So T1 is a very low temperature. T1 is a very low temperature. So very low temperature. So coke, carbon. So low temperature and del G value is very less. So finally we are conclude zinc combines with zinc oxide combines with coke, carbon, to give zinc plus carbon monoxide. Zinc plus carbon monoxide. So carbon become best reducing agent for zinc oxide to zinc. Zinc oxide to zinc. Next one, FeO. FeO. First number one, metal oxide X to gives metal plus XO. What are the X? What are the suitable reducing agents? What are the suitable reducing agents? What are the suitable reducing agents? This is carbon to carbon monoxide. This is T1. At equilibrium, T2. Third one, T3. The same aspects. The periodicity, low temperature, del G values, del G value become low. Del G value become low. So X is maybe that is carbon. So finally, Fe plus FeO plus carbon to gives Fe plus carbon monoxide. So carbon for suitable reducing agent. This is a Elegum diagram. Elegum diagram. What are the limitations of an Elegum diagram? First, number one, in this Elegum diagram is based on the thermodynamically aspect. Thermodynamically. So thermodynamically, a particular reaction, a particular metal oxide, whether it is spontaneous or non-spontaneous. First, number one, limitation. Second one, in these types of reaction, any one metal oxide is not rate of the reaction is not given. So rate of the reaction is not given. Third one, del G naught values, standard Gibbs free energy is based on standard Gibbs free energy is always is not a true. Always is not a true. That is limitation of Elegum diagram. Once again, what are the Elegum diagram? The graphical representation. The graphical representation of standard variation of standard Gibbs free energy and variation of metal oxide with the temperature. Okay, thank you.